In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to verify identity during the signature process, and we'll be doing it in a way that's quick, simple, and actionable. If you've ever struggled with this step, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof method to verify identities seamlessly. When it comes to verifying identity during the signature process, the key is accuracy and security. The process ensures that you're dealing with the right person and you're protecting yourself from fraud. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure you're using a reliable system. Many platforms offer built-in identity verification, but you need to make sure you pick one that integrates well with your signature process. In this video, we'll be using a software that is known for its streamlined and secure identity verification features. The first step in identity verification is ensuring the person signing is who they say they are. Many software solutions will ask for an ID scan or a selfie to verify this. The software will typically prompt the signer to upload an image of a government-issued ID and a clear photo of themselves. This process makes sure that the signature matches the person involved. The software we're using also allows for biometric verification, which uses facial recognition technology to make sure the person signing matches the ID they've provided. Another method involves knowledge-based authentication, where the signer is asked a series of questions that only they should know the answers to. This adds an extra layer of security by confirming the identity with personal information. For example, you might be asked to verify addresses or past transactions. This method is typically used when uploading documents and adding digital signatures. For remote verifications, it's common to use two-factor authentication, 2FA. When using this process, the signer will get a one-time passcode sent to their email or phone number. This is crucial as it helps avoid impersonation and ensures the person signing is legitimate. Make sure the software you're using offers an easy-to-follow process for both the signer and you. Now, for the real game changer, some software integrates government verification databases, which can confirm the identity of the signer by cross-referencing the details on their ID with national records. This is a top-tier feature that adds significant trust and security to your process. And the best part is that it can all be done automatically during the signature process. But here's the kicker. You need to use the right software. I've tried several of the most popular identity verification tools, and in the description below, I'm giving you exclusive access to a free trial of the software we're using in this video. This exclusive offer is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Let's recap. To verify identity during the signature process. First, make sure you're using a reliable software solution with secure features like ID scans, selfie verification, biometric recognition, and knowledge-based authentication. Consider using two-factor authentication for added security, and for top-tier verification, choose software that integrates with government databases. Key takeaway: the identity verification process is about ensuring security and trust. Whether you're dealing with contracts, forms, or other important documents, following these steps ensures you're verifying the right person every time. Before you go, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below. The software we used in this tutorial will make your signature process smoother and more secure. So don't miss your chance to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.